Welcome back to our channel. If you're on the lookout for the next big thing in home entertainment, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into Tesla's smart TV. Yes, you heard that right. Tesla has stepped into the world of home entertainment, and their smart TV is turning heads for all the right reasons. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 reasons why Tesla's smart TV might just be the perfect addition to your home. From cutting-edge display technology to AI-driven features, seamless smart home integration, and a sleek, modern design, we'll break down everything you need to know. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started. The stunning display technology. Let's kick things off with the most important aspect of any television, the display. Tesla's smart TV boasts an ultra-high-definition 4K OLED panel that delivers breathtaking visuals. Whether you're watching your favorite Netflix series, gaming in high resolution, or streaming a live sports event, the picture quality is truly immersive. The deep blacks and vibrant colors create a cinematic experience right in your living room. Tesla has incorporated advanced HDR technology, ensuring that every frame is packed with detail and lifelike contrast. Plus, the ultra-thin bezels make the screen feel even bigger, drawing you right into the action. If you're someone who values stunning picture quality, Tesla's smart TV is sure to impress. Seamless integration with Tesla ecosystem. One of the biggest selling points of this smart TV is its seamless integration with the Tesla ecosystem. If you're already a Tesla car owner, this feature will be a game changer. Imagine being able to check your car's battery status, schedule a charge, or even monitor your car's security cameras, all from the comfort of your couch. Tesla's smart TV connects effortlessly with the Tesla app, allowing you to manage key features of your vehicle on a large screen. This kind of ecosystem integration is something we've seen from companies like Apple and Samsung, but Tesla takes it to the next level by bridging the gap between home entertainment and smart mobility. AI-powered personalization. Tesla is known for its innovation in artificial intelligence, and they brought that same level of intelligence to their smart TV. The TV is equipped with AI-driven algorithms that analyze your viewing habits and recommend content tailored specifically for you. Over time, the AI learns your preferences, whether you're into action movies, tech documentaries, or gaming streams, and curates a personalized experience. This means no more endless scrolling through menus looking for something to watch. Tesla's smart TV does the work for you. And it doesn't stop there. The AI also optimizes the picture and sound settings in real time, ensuring you get the best viewing experience no matter what content you're watching. Voice control and smart home integration. Another standout feature of Tesla's smart TV is its advanced voice control and smart home integration. With built-in voice assistants, you can control not just the TV but your entire smart home setup. Want to dim the lights before starting a movie? Just say the word. Need to check the weather or set a reminder? The TV's voice assistant has you covered. Tesla has made sure that their TV is compatible with major smart home ecosystems, so whether you have smart bulbs, thermostats, or security cameras, you can control them all directly from your TV. This hands-free convenience makes Tesla's smart TV more than just an entertainment device, it becomes the central hub of your smart home. Aesthetic design and build quality. Last but certainly not least, we have to talk about the design. Tesla's smart TV is built with the same futuristic, minimalist aesthetic that we've come to expect from the brand. The ultra-slim profile, nearly bezel-less screen, and premium build quality make it a stylish addition to any home. It's designed to blend seamlessly with modern interiors, whether you mount it on a wall or place it on a sleek TV stand. Plus, Tesla has ensured that the materials used in the TV's construction are both durable and sustainable, aligning with the company's commitment to eco-friendly technology. If you want a TV that not only performs exceptionally well but also looks stunning in your living space, Tesla's smart TV delivers on both fronts. And there you have it, 5 compelling reasons why Tesla's smart TV might just be the best choice for your home entertainment setup. From its incredible 4K OLED display and AI-powered personalization to seamless Tesla ecosystem integration and smart home capabilities, this TV is packed with features that make it stand out from the competition. But what do you think? Would you consider getting a Tesla Smart TV for your home? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. This script provides an engaging, detailed, and professional breakdown of Tesla's Smart TV while maintaining a natural flow for a YouTube video. Let me know if you'd like any modifications or changes in brightness that could strain the eyes. Tesla is the perfect option for people who value comfort because its automated adjustment eliminates the guesswork involved in creating an aesthetically pleasing setup. How can people with vision impairments view better with Tesla's Smart TV's zoom feature? How can people with vision impairments truly benefit from the zoom feature on Tesla's Smart TV? For people with low vision, the zoom feature on Tesla Smart TVs is a game changer. Enabling users to make on-screen content and subtitles larger for easier reading. This feature is a big improvement over standard smart TVs, where text sizes are frequently fixed or require manual setting adjustments, as it allows font sizes up to 150% larger than the default. Compared to popular brands like Samsung or LG, which offer simple subtitle resizing options but frequently lack the flexibility of dynamic content resizing, this feature is especially helpful for older viewers who might find it difficult to read small text or detailed graphics during extended viewing sessions. This feature from Tesla allows you to enlarge subtitles and scale text and video content with ease. The reading mode on the Tesla Smart TV increases the font size for news articles or ebooks, making the text large and easy to read for senior citizens. The font size can be adjusted from 20 to 50 points, ensuring comfortable reading without the need for additional devices. This feature rivals other high-end TVs' advanced accessibility features, but Tesla's all-in-one solution streamlines the experience by eliminating the need for extra tools like magnifying glasses or separate reading devices. The system even adjusts the zoom level according to user preferences, making it as simple as leafing through a book or magazine, but with the added advantage of on-screen interaction for a group of people who frequently struggle with standard screen text. Tesla is at the forefront of user accessibility thanks to its capacity to increase content visibility. The 2025 Tesla Smart Outro TV is expected to revolutionize the market with its unparalleled affordability and cutting-edge features. Please share your thoughts in the comments section below. And remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel for the most recent information and in-depth analyses of Tesla's groundbreaking innovations. Do you think this smart TV will improve your movie nights, or do you see yourself utilizing its accessibility features more?